Wahoo wahoo, wahoo wahoo, wahoo wahoo. 7 a.m. and I wake up, gotta be fresh, go downstairs, I have my bowl, get to the bus stop, then I see my friends are driving in a car. We are driving, but we're 13, I am boring, but hey fuck you, kick in the front seat, or the back seat. I'm just having trouble making up my mind. And I was like, Friday, 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 Friday. Looking forward to the weekend. So we're cruising down the highway, and I just can't believe we haven't crashed yet. Why is it dark? I thought it was morning. This car's expensive, how the hell did we get it? The cops are coming, so I'm in shit. We'll be arrested, don't fucking care. I'm having fun, 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 fun. And I just can't believe we're so excited. And I was like, Friday, Friday, Friday. And I was like, Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Looking forward to the weekend. Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Looking forward to the weekend.